year this time, there were 83 homes for sale in Annapolis. This report, it's Friday, March 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory keeps on rising, and this report, we have 146 homes for sale in Annapolis, reflecting a rise of 76% from last year at the same time. 21 properties are coming soon. 33 homes went under contract in 10 days this report. 22 homes sold for 100.3% list to sold ratio and in 6 days. What's this mean to you? If you are looking to buy in Annapolis, you have more homes and at entry prices, but don't think that this means you can dilly-dally on a decision, because homes are seeing multiple offers, selling fast, and at or above list price. If you are a seller, get on the market right now, because we have no crystal ball into what the market will do in May to July. And prices are still strong. As the competition rises, we could see a pullback on pricing. Rentals fell again this week to 30 homes at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 21st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.